Heyo, JazzTheJovial here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be enjoying episode 3 together of this lovely anime. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and just hop on in. Alright, he didn't have to start off the episode with a moan. Oh yeah, his G rank mission. Oh, he's hungry. Personal space. I don't know if he has any more meat. Episode 3, my superpower is all about cooking. I feel like... So, what are we gonna do about that? In this open field. Is it a mini? Oh. Oh, a protective barrier. Okay. I think it makes them very cute. Kiayu grass. Was lucky that he can use appraisal magic, seeing as... Oh! Yeah, it would probably take forever. Oh my gosh, look how thick this is! Only because of your appraisal magic, I feel. Maybe it goes well with food? Oh, if he took some of that and used it in his meals. Kagome! Kagome Higurashi. Kagome Higurashi. Kagome Higurashi. I'm sorry. Imagine if he used some of that Kiyu grass and Maji flour in his dishes, then it could be like he could make a revival meal or something like that. Okay, this is not a game to these people, actually. Another rock bird. Specifically for the rock bird. Oh my gosh! Are they gonna spoil? I'm sorry, how many other things did you kill? Just for the gluttonous... Oh my. Is it cheese? Like Parmesan cheese? Oh. I was right! Wait, why was it green? Wait, what? Sorry. My husband loves some Parmesan cheese on his pasta. And I do too, but I can do without it too. Oh my gosh. Oh, see, there we go. I was like, what? It really does. Oh my. How much can that fork pick up? He never really asked for the way home. He was just like, he just accepted it. That salaryman job probably was taking it out of him. His life was draining. And now he gets to, be carefree. There's no salaryman jobs here. Oh, I'm sorry. How are you putting that in there? How much space do you have in your inventory? Ew. Maybe not you, but he definitely can. Oh, really? Bipedal pigs. What does bipedal mean? Golly, that was a stack. Only human after all. Hop on, Spider Monkey. Anybody knows that reference? You belong here. You belong with me and my community. Oh, look at the architecture. Bro damn near died. Okay, but what about your meals? Got him right in the stomach. What? She didn't believe in you. Okay. So, how much do I need to rank up to F? Oh, is she gonna be impressed? Is she gonna get nicer? Yep. There we go. Mm-hmm. She's trying to act tough in here. Oh, and there's the butcher. Start with? He's like, excuse me? He's impressed for sure. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, he is going to be working on this for a while. With a few A-ranks as well. You're really giving away being from another world. Fenrir is over there just salivating. Oh my, look at that beautiful sword. Oh my gosh, she's making quick work of it, I can hear. Oh, he was slicing and dicing that skin off. Holy, ugh. I don't know why when I saw the orc, all I could think was the pig goblins or whatever from Minecraft. See, this is another thing that, like, items never spoil? Wow. That's really awesome. See, like something like this is like, how do you know how to flavor this? What if the seasoning for a regular meat item doesn't work well with this meat? Oh, you're gonna fry it up, okay. Immediately burns it. No, you're very proficient. Is that because of your skill? Like, is that like a bonus? Or were you like always this good? He's even impressed with himself. 2-flavored pork piccata with meat sauce. Holy. I'm wanting to see what his reaction to orc meat is. No, 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 you cooked it. It's okay. Believe in yourself. There we go. Premium pork, okay. Oh yeah. They are like pigs, yeah. Also, that guy's saying it would only take him until the next morning. Like, bro, he didn't even get any sleep. He made quick work of them. How many gold coins? No. Okay. Oh. Oh, yeah. I'd be grabbing my purse too. The rockbird feathers look really beautiful. Where'd you get those? Oh, like deep in their bodies or what? Yeah, that was really kind of him. What's your name? Let's remember this guy. Either way, we know Fenrir's a glutton. He said, what? Was that like a 2-minute nap? Also, you packed away all that meat? Did Fenrir just talk to you? Yeah. Oh, I really like that butcher. Already. These two are cute together, for sure. And some ruins. Where are you gonna sleep? There's plenty of space for him here. Oh. Fenrir takes the quickest naps ever. Carry out. How are they sending this? I don't know. Yeah, let's just get some colors, I guess. It was Fenrir. Oh my gosh. Those are huge boxes. Fenrir does eat a ton. Do they know where do you think this food is going? How are they delivering this? I don't know if shape really matters. Oh, got Fenrir blushing. I would love to see a female Fenrir. Okay. Oh, it is. Hopefully. Oh my gosh. It is pretty crazy, yes. No piggies or anything? Oh, it's sizzling. Yeah. Yeah, I guess I didn't think about it like that. I think you don't give yourself enough credit. Oh, check his stats. You lost against an ancient dragon? The numbers flash by so fast. Holy. Okay, bye-bye. That is a good... You got an even bigger, better shield? I'm sorry. I hope no dragons come by. Are you just gonna leave that box of nothingness? Oh yeah. You didn't just get a bed. Oh, okay. At first I thought he could only buy groceries, since it was like online grocery. You know what? That's good on you. I personally don't feel like I could do it. We get to see Fenrir's hunting. Another rock bird, you gotta stop with these. Golly. You just killing for the game. For the fun of it. Is that a bull or... It was a creature of sorts. A giant deer. It looked like a mix of a bull and a deer. Holy hunt. Broadcasted wind magic. Holy. Oh my gosh. Is that like the Orc King? Oh, an Orc General. Are they a general only because they're that huge? Or did they earn that title? Oh my goodness. Okay, no. What is this? They can combine? Yeah, I'm not sleeping through all that. Metal lizard, blue ogre? Holy Okay, so I can see. I don't need that staring at me early in the morning. A little too much power. Here we are at the end of episode 3. It was quite lovely. There was a lot of hunting, a lot of stats boosting for Fenrir. The Wagyu beef is crazy powerful for Fenrir. And it's never back on the menu again, as Makuta said it. It made Fenrir go a bit overboard. And when I say a bit, I mean a lot. That was a whole lot that the butcher is going to have to cut up. I hope he goes back to town with all of that and gives it to his exact same dude. He was very kind and gracious in telling Makuta about the pricing and everything. I thought that was really super nice. I love when characters do that and they're not just stuck with him like, how do you not know that? And then they're like rude. Like he actually taught him. And I really appreciate that. It helps us as, the watchers to get more into the lore and all of that as well. And especially for someone like me who is always talking about world building and such, then it gives me those ideas of like, I guess, characters with wisdom and ways to introduce lore into things, and it's really cool. Okay. Fenrir is very light. There's a lot of back and forth with people. Great Wolf versus actual mythical creature Fenrir. And we got the baddie from the Merchants Guild looking at us. And I mean, you got the Adventurers Guild lady to open up because just for a moment, just this latest little sliver of a moment because of Fenrir outside. But I wonder if it's gonna be like a Nurse Joy type of situation for Pokemon where every land that he goes to has the same person. Probably not. That's not the usual for anime and such. But I think that would be cool. Just like the hive mind effect. That way we can keep seeing those characters because he is trying to travel and all of that. But I don't know. I just really want to see some recurring people. Like the Butcher and people I have already mentioned. So, I mean, he's making bank over 200 gold coins for the stuff that Fenrir got in like a single hunt. And then you look at all this other stuff that he just got. He was like, "Oh yeah, like I've struggled with certain of these beasts before, and I just cut them down in one go because it's Wagyu beef." So you tell me that has to be A grade, like an A level, maybe even S level. So, and it was so much more. So I'm thinking it's like at least 500 gold coins coming his way. Makuta is a very rich man in these lands. And I'm sure he's very, very happy to not be working the long hours in his homeland anymore. Anyway, I am happy for his freedom, and I'm going to be giving this anime episode 10 out of 10 rockbird feathers. Fenrir very much likes rockbird, we have seen. And the feathers are very beautiful. So it's a win for everyone, I'd say. Anyway, let me know all of your thoughts, your comments, your words of wisdom, any meals that you have, whether you're from the USA or, wherever else. If you're from a different world. How about this? If you're into world building, let me know a recipe for a meal that comes from your fantasy lands. Okay? I would love to hear about it. Give me the name of the world, give me the name of the recipe, give me the name of the fantasy items, like items such as like the creature's meat or whatever that goes into it too. I think that would be so cool. Anyway, go ahead and also like, share, subscribe. It would mean the world to me. I love having you here. I love sharing these things with you. And I will see you all in the next video you choose to watch from me. Thank you so much. Love, Jasmines, and Bunnies.